It's Malak, and today we're going to do an acquire. I just got done with some of my anatomy assignment, but I'm going to take a break, open some packages, because I just recently ordered some art from artists that I really love on Instagram. I follow them and sometimes talk a little bit back and forth. Oh. This one's from Winnipeg, Canada. The artist, it looks like the name is Mr. Wasis Buck. I hope I pronounced that right. On Instagram, they go by Buckerino. Kind of working in manga style. And there it is. And they didn't have any backing board, but they used a super substantial envelope. And I was talking to Bucky, and they were like, "This is the first time I've ever sold or shipped art." And that's really cool. And it brought me back, because I think, I gave a pretty good amount extra, but I think their asking price was like 15 or something at the start. And the first drawing I ever sold was to someone in New York City. And I sold it for $15. And I was like, wow, I remember those days. And it's kind of fun to grow as an artist. And I hope this artist continues to grow and find more and more success, because they're really cool and I like their style. Thank you, Buckerino. I'll probably put some information to find them on Instagram in the description. Go check them out. Give them a follow. Buy some of that artwork. And have a great day, guys. Thank you for watching this Acquire with Malak, and your support means a lot. Thank you.
You're such a